Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons and all sorts of how to draw stuff. And today I'd like to give you a hint on drawing the face in profile. Here's something that's not mentioned many times. So let's get the basic face down, and here's a basic look. The chin, top of the head, and we'll finish this up in a minute. Back of the neck, just nice and sketchy. All right, now let's see. About halfway are the eyes. Is the eyes? That's really subject-verb agreement. Don't tell my third grade teacher I did that. Okay, now most people start this way. However, this is not flat. The face isn't flat. It actually starts on a curve, like so. A curved line. And then we build up from there. See, already it's looking a little more lifelike, isn't it? Look how much head comes out behind the neck. Okay, now let's add the eye. And right here we will just indicate a little bit of the nose and mouth. Just a little bit of the mouth, just a little bit of the nose. Like this. Now, let's just model this. This doesn't come to a point, so we're going to bring this down a little bit here, like that. We're going to bring the forehead down, but bring out the brow a little bit. Bring out the brow. You see that line here? Let me just see if I can articulate this for you. It goes in like that. Okay? Comes back in right here. Now we'll adjust the nose. This is where the bridge of the nose starts, just where the eye is. Bridge of the nose comes down here. Little flat tip comes back down here, nostril in here, and comes out for the lips. So we're building out from this, completely building out. Bring the lips down just a little bit because it's a profile. Bottom lip meets the top lip like so. It meets the lip and says, hello. No, actually, it's not a formal introduction. Chin comes down, like this, back here, and not too far behind the eye, it connects to the neck, like this. So, I'll bring this a little closer in. Notice how small the eye is, short. In the side view. Eyeball thins out and touches the top. Doesn't have to touch the bottom, touches the top. Eyelids come off the front. Crease, right here. Bridge, we talked about. Little crease here. Bridge the nose. Right here is the cartilage, but right here is bone. And then the bone ends right here, it kind of dips a little bit. The nostril comes way in front, not way back, in front toward the tip. Lips meet and lips continue past where they meet. See that? Right here is where they meet, but the lips are past that. And we'll bring it. The ear comes approximately where the eyebrow is, and the bottom of the nose. That's the proportion. I did a whole book on proportions called Figure It Out, Human Proportions. I tell you, it's such a useful way to figure out how to draw. Because you can know all the anatomy, and it's great to know anatomy. You can know all the anatomy there is, and still draw somebody their own proportions. A little bit of shadow under here. Now let's just give him a little bit of hair. So that's just a quick tutorial on it. I hope that was helpful to you, and that maybe it'll stick with you few ideas that you can use in your own drawings. Okay? Hey, I have new videos upload every single week. I hope you subscribe and you won't miss any. Thanks. Bye-bye.